Yo, switch number six. Now, the condition scratched, as we know. Um, it's a bit broken at the bottom there. But other than that, it's okay. Rails dirty and scratched up. So with this one, it seems like it works. Like press the button. That's the first thing I do is I press the power button, and it actually turns on, which is great. But it has a strange issue. It didn't come with a game card reader, so the touchscreen wasn't working, but I've just used a spare one. And look what happens. The screen is acting really weird. Look at that, it's going crazy. It's touching itself. And I know what could cause that. It's I think the LCD's been replaced and it's not got a gap between the digitizer and the actual LCD, so it's just pressing on its own. It was going crazy a minute ago. It's going crazy. I've not even touched it. It's just selecting stuff on its own. Look at that, it's going mental. So let's take it apart and see if we can sort out that LCD. I can't even turn it off, it's going crazy. There you go. What I have also noticed is it doesn't charge. So if we go under the microscope, have a look, you could see that side's okay. It's a bit dirty though. This side, you can see the pins are all broken. So the first thing I'm going to do is a charge port replacement. Let's get it off. So, where do we start? Probably start by taking the digitizer off and seeing if there is a gap between them. I think there's supposed to be a gap. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so maybe it is just a digitizer issue. Okay, for the purpose of this video on this switch, I am going to replace the digitizer. It's only got a little crack at the bottom there. The casing otherwise is okay. Yeah, the issue is I'm going to have issues lining this thing up. It's always hard to line the digitizer up. All right, let's try and get this digitizer off this screen. I'll probably end up breaking it. I always do. Right, that's the digitizer taken off, and I think I've got a bit of dirt on it, which is fine. How I'm going to line this up, I do not know. Will I be able to line it up like that? Yeah, maybe. Maybe that's how you do it. Okay, so if I get ready to peel this protector off, yeah, it is. All right, okay, so that's prepared. Now I've got to clean up that. I think that'll do. Well, if that's wrong, then it's wrong. Okay, here we go. First time using the charger as well to turn it on. We do get a display. And it's not lined up the best, but the screen's working fine now. It's a little bit too high from the bottom and from the left. That's what's so annoying about these screen replacements. They're so hard to get perfect. I don't know how you're gonna sort it, how you're gonna solve it. I can't stand doing digitizer replacements. So this is another working switch. Yeah, that's working lovely. Okay, so I've got all the essentials plugged in. Test the game, test the Joy-Con rails. We know the touchscreen works. Right, that Joy-Con rail don't. Oh, that's strange. Is it working? It is, but it isn't. Could just be dirty connectors on that side. This one's fine. Yeah, that works fine, but this one's a bit iffy. See? Let's give it a little clean down there. Okay, we're gonna have to look at this rail. Don't know why that's not working. Does it play a game? It reads a game lovely. I think it's all working. It is just this rail. We're gonna have to punch that hole through again. What did I use last time? Oh yeah, sim eject tool. This time I'm gonna be more careful. There you go. Yeah, this is water damaged inside. Look at that. Look at all that. I wonder why it's iffy. Okay, just a general clean would sort that out. Let's put this Joy-Con rail back together. Uh, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine now. Lovely. Every time. And with this one, yeah. I have done a shelf swap on these Joy-Cons, so the colors don't correspond to the things. I could change that. Look at that. Amazing. So this is a fully working Switch now, just missing a back and a heatsink. Lovely. It's another Switch done.